Hello to all my friends out there. So one thing I stockpile is I stockpile canned beans. Okay, I also stockpile all kinds of dry beans, but the canned beans are very, very handy. And what I make mostly out of refried beans is I make Mexicali refried beans. And if you don't get any other recipes, get this one. You fry chorizo in a little oil. Then you add the refried beans and you add evaporated milk or milk little by little by little. When I use evaporated milk, I use 1/2 evaporated milk, 1/2 water. And if you have that and you don't have cheese, it's going to make really good beans, and you can make burritos, or you can, have beans and rice, or tostadas with Mexicali refried beans. What mostly I do with these is I make these with beans and bacon, or I make Mexicali refried beans. What I usually do with these kind of beans is I usually cut hot dogs up, or sausage. I fry sausage and I put sausage in those kind of beans. I have just one little can of pork and beans. I have another can of chili. I can make chili. Usually I make navy beans with bacon, but if you don't have any, you can add a little bacon grease, or olive oil with salt, pepper, and sugar. And then I got a good deal on these lima beans. So I have, because I have a lot of dry beans, I only buy those cans of beans when I get a good deal. But I want to give you 2 recipes. Lima beans and pork sausage. And it's hard to find lima beans at $1, believe it or not. I think I got those, I think it was Dollar Tree. And then this is a really good split pea soup recipe. Both these recipes are on my Twitter. So for canned beans, I only buy those when I get a good deal, because I have dry beans. Okay, you guys, God bless you.